I took this trade on a 25k prop firm challenge as well, and my personal account, so I just want to go over this really quickly. So if we go to Euro GBP, my daily bias is that we are bearish, okay? We have this swing high point right there. Should I just make this black? This is our swing high point, and most likely this will be the swing high, so I'm expecting prices to go down, to the downside basically, on Euro GBP. So basically Euro is the weaker pair and pound is the stronger pair. So as you can see, pound is shooting up, and well, Euro shooting up now as well, but Euro was the weaker pair, so I wanted to short that. Now we swept Asia session right there for Euro. Also no really low probability news events today, but anyway, if we look at our kill zone timing, so we have 7 o'clock, which starts right there. So if we look at 7, we did actually have a sweep off the highs. So we had a sweep there, and then we had a market maker model, basically like an entry model that I teach on the channel. So we had a break of structure there, number 1. We also had another break of structure there, number 2. So if you're entering off the EQ, it would have been something like that. This would have been the entry, and it would have been stopped out pretty quickly. Now in my strategy, I usually like to take breaks of structure after 721 or 721 and after. So I didn't really want to look at this because there was no break at 721, even on the 5-minute. If we just look at this, there's no breaks anyway. However, if we go to, like, you know, after 721, the next entry model we got was actually this one. So as you can see, yeah, we're going up. We have a swing low right there, gets broken right there with a wick. Plus we have imbalances right there, and we have this imbalances, which is the one I reacted off really nicely to. We have an imbalance right there as well. So we have all of these confluences now, and then pretty much you can enter at the EQ, the 50%, or where I entered was the 0.4, because I just find it's better sometimes. I keep switching that up, to be honest. An 11 pip stop just to give a bit of breathing room, and then 1 to 2 risk reward. So this trade was executed and hit take profit really quickly. You know, as I said, sometimes it hits stop loss very quickly, for example this trade, and sometimes it hits take profit very quickly. So this was one of those times where it was a very precise sort of entry, hit our entry, really nice wick rejection, and then just literally plummeted down to the downside. So that's pretty much the trade recap. It's a very, very simple entry model, and it's very repeatable. So if you kind of resonate with this entry model, then make sure to go test it out, back test it on TradeZilla or FX Replay, and get that confidence behind your edge. So that's pretty much the trade recap. I'll see you on Saturday's video. Happy trading and stay safe.